Oh, videos na trending. Nananom akọ galamsey areas bi akọ Brunua. Hey, pam. Pa na me revenue komo. Dr. Ebenezer Eko. Edu. MCE de ma Asante Achim Central. Ameni ni komo. Chief, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Na 87.9. Apom ye de.
Yami adumboko.
Good. Yahuye na nanomo a video I hear on Facebook say see no wo area wo mining. In fact, we crowd here. I mean, you can say mining concession because within community. And the report is that Konongo falling under o jurisdiction. But you say you're correct, right?
You're correct.
87.9 Kumasi.
Na hello, Eddie kan maminchia uchifu nyina. Na mfa ichia kesiema Ashanti Regional Minister. Any NDC Ashanti Regional Chairman. Me constituency chairman 24 ne penifo nyina. Benchia o mapeni. Ne na pamfo nyina. Na minia mitu kwan kakra. Hello.
Me wa hapa mitio chief.
Mitu kwan kakra. Na before metu kwan no na yakoye operation ewo some galamsey site ECG omunema na unimosi a minus nete ebi omuye adwuma no nsuo ne yinchi normally ukọ ha untumi endu omunchanchem ntuba ko no munyina adwane na yasesa niema na yahyibi nti one particular place bi a mene nananum nyina ekoi na yakopamu omo ejami so mo tese me kwan no na mo san back ene man nananum edi ebufuo ni ahomte ekoi ko bodua no wo say ye use security forces ye use law na still muntie yen na mobekọso ayede a omuso be use traditional means ntimi nia ekobai no na me bai na nkofo bisa me se mema nananom asan eduabo na me se me yesofo me so duabo so na so wo ya de ni ebeka na wunti na nananom be fa means a wudi be jaye a me nkoka ho hwe because so dia and do so din do be ko it is omupa omunchi omu hu fi ho no munyai ntimi mi ata na asa no eke
chief enkomo we me kai se me ni wadi pen oba no me ni udi sa enkomo pen ebusa o se at that time na omu wo I just say asori dan bi area Pentecost asori dan area ho ba bia na omu tu gold or horse say everywhere nkrofo fie. I remember me no di san komo wa ha. So be kaya oba no me no di san komo no wa ha.
Aye.
It is adia da bia de nya report ho. If adia say wo kompa say mo common security na ko a. Chief so control nsi ho kwan because o tu kwan a. E dey na si kwan say wo tu kwan no security ni nyina so tu kwan.
And we mosia galamsey semneti enne for year operation after 3 days 1 week washing machines no crowd another new set but be si ho na minka say mi tu kwan no munye adwuma wo na security service no egusu ye adwuma because enye one site pe so na Asante Achim yi a enne uchesi ahafua no move no moko another site but yen tinai ye guso any omo kasa legally ye sign so niema but unim say man na ba no asodin wo ho eni na me ka say when people call me say me na nanom nkasa no mu revoke case na me ka say me nye
emrafo from ebajo emrantia no bi enkrofo a woni mu omo ma frɛ wo sɛ ene nananom nkasa na omo ndane dua no
enye galamsefu te sɛ wo wate wahwɛ video yi na ono wo Europe outside no wahwɛ no wafrɛ MCE sɛne nananom ye no omekunkum ya mane ye nananom o na edwuma bia ni Ghana enam se edwuma ni Ghana tuumbarefo tuunananomfo na nia ye eye ekwan awodo bebre ye pese ye fa so ye de stopo minutes na e wasante achem no nti medin ka se me nkobodua nanso nananom ene ni ye ku na muntie na mumma edwuma na ye den amayen ya eni means bia ye befa ye be arrest mu ye be hye mu machine nananom bobodua no I will do it. I will not talk to the chiefs. And there, they can't feed the issue. Say, I'm not sure I'm who feed guarantee no. I'm not sure I'm who. Na, I'm in co. Yeah, what? Yeah, you wouldn't say your mining concession. Sir, wouldn't say as I say your mining concession.
Yeah.
And now, there were areas there, Moko Hoko ya. Enfansu sansu boni bia emma enkose nsuo enkose hwe mama mo that privilege ni say leave areas a yen ni nananom aka say eho de yempese mo beye jaho na se wunya ho a we will take drastic action against you me stand no
but chief drastic action ni be a day na why is here watching crofo edo ma court ama court ni o ma di no antimi anya enough still ano omututu atufie we be hwe ba bi adan si ene ba bi o mu ye adwuma ya enye far from krom
me how ne say me how kese ba ko pa ne say me ko area bi na omu dan wo ni nyina boys no etue sika ma omu nyina omu fie omu ye wo ho no enti ni omu ye ne se saha na omu beba omu beduru wo area no ma pesika mu yedu acha ma mu a mu dan na ti no ma kan ma no atum no mu hye ho ye adwuma no enti odumfo bi behu bebo ya mane a da we moving obekọ no mu nyina agane one guy there o ma remind no for 2 weeks wo galamse oye bold ka kira me say sika wetua no oba beje wo me ho
then ede na asi a me nkasa mani mu aye ha wo mrantie ne ba de na asi say obi betimi afrew MCE aka kira say sika ye fine me matua me sa ba beje wo ho ase mo ya ma say boys di mani mu twitwi fam
that bio and tisa who say people ekasawo omobuso then I am somebody so I go by law me ye diplomatic na umpese obefa then I use the law obehia me sorry kupe say yemfa we court yemfa we enyenye ne sa I talk to you 1 2. If you don't listen the third time, then I instruct say yemfa unko enko jina court. No we no one threaten me ansa na yachi no. One court na ansa na o threaten me ansa me yachi no. Then I told the people say me ye wura me. Ni obi a me kama dwen. Because when I preach, I say it how it is.
Akoma FM
Nti
87.9.
saa na me de aba me politics mu. Me ka no kora natural. Me suro. Nti me nia ene de fa to nkyɛn. They can't threaten me.
I see. That's a who preach here. Who can want some illegal mining? You share na mwa ne.
Me ba no say me ba no unu say.
Chief, we come na. Wa sorry maybe so still ano. Wa sorry maybe omu.
Eno bonni de e fa baby a. Asori for ka ho Muslims ka ho party for ka ho. Me no when we say me ba no nim say obeka ya ye bo me din no on spirit say I am anti-galamsey man because na in first na me yemo me din ya din na me kasa on radio so I speak against them. Into most of them na per se yeah they appointment to the mama. And as at now they are fighting say you remove me. The brave ono mo kasa ni ye be me yapamu oh boy anu aduane egu
87.9.
Na just say na omo ya party for chief say na omo ya party for
enye party for nko won say what ba asante achim ha asante achim no ye to abewia NDC and MPP combined asante achim nti won say basabasa eni ha wa sha no so a until political tension bia wa ha because one of the municipality both NDC and MPP move together better about na ya start ya politics but the two groups come together na ahano obanhu say NDC na was so a MPP for nyina tend to be NDC people in disguise. The MPP that was also an NDC for also attending to MPP people in disguise. This is the complex nature of our municipality.
But that day I will be obetimi akansu anim say obema ya two and ya you free hono. I just any panel connect to you.
Utum na kansu manimu. So ha bon so bi aba. Chief Shonhu you. Na say na ya tete no abontin. Chief Shonhu you. Some say I don't care.
87.9 Kumasi.
I don't care because enye your friend say MCE inti na ensesa meka no kore no enye MCE inti because obi ka tell me say we ye sofo na wo te ho ma ahimfo bodua na me say ahimfo o ma ahimfo ya traditional authorities omo wo mutumi e wo mukuro so nti wo mukurom no mo say ade a wo ye mususem ha omo chai no unjaya they have their own way of dealing with you it na wakoye bonne ne yedwa kwa yifie na najo edwan ne snap ne ade na makoka say me yesofu nti na njai minia sare ye no
enti se sia nananom kobru nua no I understand say wo mu nyina o mafiri ho right
o mafiri ho. But I catch you say me hano the terrain is okay operation ya 1 week 2 weeks no more for when you ever go so man say ababium
does it mean said ye hu no my no nya adwen say eto atwa likely so betimi asaba abaye de omo ye no
me chantro say omum mabium but maybe e dia bonu ne behu omo dia I can't tell.
So it means that
we are very stubborn people, and we also will deal with them stubbornly.
Say ya na nano ma ya mo mafiri hoyi. De aka ye mo sam so be protect.
Yeah, you so and na me commander di nkombo. Then we were outlining certain measures bia ye be take. Because I also call ni be kon ho na o se min tumi enka your strategies nyina ewo because I don't know who is listening enti ye guso And we know, say, a easy tax, but it's not a tax which is impossible. You know, what in America in Asia? A idea, you bet me, aye. But yes, a bayemre. So sorry, but it can be done.
Some Rantiana, Chief Rantiana, you cameras because we are him free and them Rantia, yeah, when we are. Just say we can identify them. Rantiana, one more video.
Yes, I showed the video. I showed the video too. Me aid the name in Crawford. Into almost on measure na mami. And yet most of them no, and yet true indigenous of Asante Atum Central.
Oh yeah,
how can until when you are tracking them, then they move. When you say Galamsey people now, indigenous people no, of course, no problem, and then we move to another municipality, and now so I question be a no. Until me my yen say almost share me in a psychological way to talk to them. Say Ediabono, I am a Christian. I am a minister of God, but I believe in traditional authority. I believe, say, traditionally, Sabon Samuel Hosua, the agent, it is a form agent, obey to me, how. I believe in that. I want to talk to them, and so we are appealing. So because of Ediabona Bano, Mr. Ubisamia, I will tell you that I'm happy. Yes, sir. Don't get me wrong. What I say?
You are happy probably because more approach na fairly.
And you say your approach a failure.
But some fairly and common sama.
Na minia kanokre. You start to say Kungalamsi nana. Every successive government have strategies to fight Galamsey.
But now failing. I'm saying that this approach I'm using a fairly. That is why we are here today. I can't nananumudi. The why be a fairly. That one we have to admit.
But the fairly a preventive because one side the pro. I've spoken to some people. Recommendation cry. So, into approach, we 100% success, but you will have about 60-70 success, but you not get 100% success. It doesn't mean say a failure. That's what I say. Into we want to achieve 100%. That is also difficult to achieve. But say obia eba on board. Citizen ye Galamsey wo dan yichi now sorry jina say ompene na nanoma sorry jina municipal assembly ya sorry jina police sorry jina we can fight it. But say mujaisa politicians nko fight here. Ye nya 100% success. Dibinia ye guso. Now once that's what we will still fight the menace.
Yes, we are here, why?
Yo, that's it.
Yes, that's it. I'm sorry for MCE, the man Asante Atum Central, or a Reverend Minister, Ebenezer,
Akoma
Akoma,
87.9 Kumasi.
TV.